Here's a Connect roller coaster I made. It stands about 3.5 feet tall. It's all made out of scrap. I just got all my Connect pieces together and randomly made it. As you want to see these boxes for supports, I just randomly made it out of all my pieces. I had this black motor right here. It was way too slow, so I decided it was too slow. It would get the car up, but it took forever. So I used two green motors right there, and right there. That's the car, and I'm going to show you how it works. Now these engines, they go different ways, because the train goes under, then it goes over. Turn that one on, you do this. There we go. Now, here we go. Batteries are running low, so let's step out of the way so you can see it. There it goes. That sharp turn right there, I have to work hard on that because it would fall off sometimes, but that little, you see that second black lift, or that second black lift thing, that's to get across, because watch on this one. It won't make it without that. Right about here it will stop, and then it will go. It'll roll back if this wasn't here. Watch. We'll do one more round. It's about 8 feet long, or 9 feet long. 8 or 9 feet long. And this is in my attic. Okay. So, there it goes. Up the chain lift, down the hill, and across. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.